Hello everyone, this is Ben from Creality. Today our technical support people BJ will show you exactly how to replace the 2K LCD screen of LD-002R Resin screen printer. So let's dive in. Remove the tray by turning the top, not counterclockwise. On the left side of the machine, remove the cover. Flick the LCD print screen cable outward. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the LCD print screen through the gap and remove it. Can use double-sided tape to fix the LCD print screen. Alcohol to remove impurities on the mirror surface to ensure the accuracy of light transmission. Remove the protective film from the mirror. Install the screen cable through the gap and remove the front protective film. Connect the screen cable and stick it with insulation glue to prevent it from loosening. Install the cover. Select the function of detecting the screen at startup. When the LCD print screen displays a rectangular pattern, then the replacement is done.